the way of to look at the independence, number one is for the independent to avoid the kisirani of donating the constituency to the opposition by dividing the vote. But secondly, even if you are on the NRMs, why don't you use the other more decisive approach of the criminal side rather than going to disturb our people? Because the Wananchi also get disturbed when they have got to choose between you. Sometimes they are all NRM and they don't want to take sides among you. It disturbs them. If you have facts, because you see, these primaries were like a trap for the troublemakers.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.